believe what he's got to do is he pulls that black string. Did it do it? Alright. He pulls that string. See when he pulls that? That engages the twine. Then that arm, it must go in and out, and it works towards the center, and then obviously it must cut. First bale out of this thing, guys. Seems to be pretty tight. Not really sure what the soft core means, but wow, tight twine though. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yep, that did do a nice job. Huh. That's pretty interesting. Back up a good amount with this machine, you can tell, because we left that. Well, bale number 2 on this small field. I was kind of figuring he'd be getting right around 3 or 4 bales out of this test trial operation, but I'm going to say that this thing makes a really nice tight bale. And it's going to be interesting to see how the bale spear gets into this versus the bales that the case makes. I noticed, you know, the bales are a little kind of ruffled and stuff like that here on the edges, but I think a lot of that has to do with the type of hay that he is, you know, it's not real thick. So, oh, it seems to be doing a pretty darn good job. We got the farm dog sitting at bay. For what reason, we don't know. Other than hanging on to my beer and my koozie and my cooler. The Workmaster seems to be doing a little bit better job on this baler versus the case, what I was just told. Once that case gets a full bale in it, he said his tractor was really laboring. So, oh, is that thing already making another bale? Or did he get it plugged? Oops, sorry guys. He's messing with the rope. Wow, I think it already made another bale. So these sticker windrows are... Yeah, it's doing an alright job though. But see, yeah, Well, he got most of it that time, but I think with this baler you can tell that you're definitely going to have to back up a good amount, or else you're going to get this little bit of sludge, whatever. What though? She's humming right along. Man, that's awesome. This is like super awesome sauce. You know, this is like one big deal here for both of our farms. This is his machine, but we both will be using it. We'll work with it together. You know, it's just kind of one of them deals. We help each other out. We let us use each other's equipment, and we both take care of each other's equipment. So it works out pretty well like that. But he's already baled 3 bales, so I was off on my count. I figured 3 bales between everything, but looks like he's probably going to end up with about 6. Huh. W4 that he bought from us, and this is his H. Right now is on the back of on the front of the New Holland manure spreader. All right, you can see in the background he's coming up. He finished. He ended up with 4, let's just call it probably 4.5 bales off of this field. We're going to head across the street and finish that bale out that's in the chamber right now, and I imagine maybe 1 more. So I'm thinking he's probably close to 6 bales here, and good little trial operation to get ready for 2 weeks from now. Like I said, that's crucial because we got the wrapper for only so long. So we got that weekend to do it, and hopefully the weather cooperates with us and we can get this done. So. Okay, guys, gals, we are finito. I keep saying we. I feel like I actually did some work today, but I didn't. Just come here to observe and soak it all in, how this thing's working. As you can see, he's finishing the last heat lap of 2019 dry hay, second cut. No more dry hay is being made on the Overland farm or Pewview farms. We are going 2 weeks from now. We are going to be in full operation, and we are going to be making silage bales with this baler. So here he comes for the last lap. So far, he's got this machine down pat. It's a very simple machine. He just needs to change the way that he bales. Because when he's baling with the case, it's kind of a different process. So, but as you can see, I imagine what he'll finish out will probably make one more bale, I would think. I saw a stone get pounded up. Do you think the cows would eat that? Nope. This field here that he's on right now was refitted and seeded. Wow, he's already made a bale. Holy crap. That is it. He's going to finish that windrow out, make the half a bale, and that'll be it. So this test run with his KR125 baler worked out really well. He's got this thing down pat. Dan's going to be doing the baling when we do the baleage, and I'll just be raking, picking up bales, that kind of stuff, trying to make the operation move smoother and faster. We want to get this done in 2 days. I don't want to let this grass, basically we're going to mow one day, and that late morning we're going to start baling, and I think that'll give us the proper moisture content that we need in this hay to make a decent baleage bale. The fermenting process should work pretty well, but yeah, he's done. He's made its last lap right there, so I imagine he'll probably tie that bale somehow. Or he might just even dump it right off even without tying it and let the cows eat it. So, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I look forward to talking to y'all real soon.